This is your feed and stock report for Wednesday, March 18th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are minded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. In central and northern Alberta on Tuesday, steers 900 plus 458 to 468, 8 to 900 475 to 520, 7 to 800 521 to 559, 6 to 700 609 to 638, 5 to 600 670 to 726, 4 to 500 765 to 771. Heifers 900 plus 430 to 441, 8 to 900 460 to 472, 7 to 800 481 to 527, 6 to 700 553 to 606, 5 to 600 603 to 635, 4 to 500 650 to 695. On a light test of the market yesterday in central Alberta, cow-calf pairs traded up to $7,500 per pair. Cattle sales Tuesday saw no new trade report, but there's a good chance scatter trade will develop by this afternoon. This week we are dealing with a very current cash offering. Over the past couple weeks, Alberta fed prices have been trading at a premium against Ontario market. Canadian beef exports for the month of January were 8% lower than last year. Less beef ended up being shipped to our two largest markets, the US and Japan. In January, the bright spot for Canadian beef exports was Mexico and Taiwan. With exports running above last year and above the 5-year average, Canadian beef exports to Mexico were the largest since 2010. In the cow trade in central Alberta Tuesday, D1 and 2 cows 227 to 244, D3 cows 212 to 225. Bulls in central Alberta yesterday brought 249 to 266. In the US, there is no new trade report and no bids to speak of today. Packer margins have improved and buying interest should start to pick up. Beef cutout values have advanced over the past couple weeks. Choice cutout values are still roughly $10 shy of the recent highs set back in September, while select cutout values are trading at the highest point since May 2020. Looking at the futures market, one can't help but notice the discount being priced into the deferred live cattle contracts. It is quite rare to see the December contract trading at a discount to August. National Bona cows averaged 316.57 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 73.22, down 8 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. April 234.90, down 32. June 233.40, down 30. August 231.07, down 25. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.